guys, so, ano guys, tatanong. So, put ko na lang kayo dito guys. And guys, sige game na guys. Make me little please. Please. And may dalawang pumpkin dito guys. Pumpkin. Lalagyan na ng bubbles. Tapos, guys, kukuhain ko yung makeup ko. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys. At lahat sila wala na suot. Baby na dito, balik sa tama. Kasing tulad kanina. Yung halik mo, pati likod mo. Sumampi, anina. Quiet lang kayo, guys. Ito yung ano namin, exercise. Oo. So guys, sasabihin lang sa'yo. Tapos, saan yung labas? Uy! Yan guys, so, cute diba? Bata! It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! Delete mo siya guys. It's a prank lang guys. Ba't ka mabubura makeup mo? Nagalit! So guys, it's a prank. So bye bye na.